What up, design chomps? Big announcement. We're gonna start the Artweek logo design right now. Okay, so I made a little link on artweek.com called Logo Competition. You can go to artweek.com right now and then find out all the competition rules, the rewards, and the dates. Basically, a quick rundown. You can win $100 cash money. You can be the first featured designer when Artweek goes live, and you'll have the appreciation and admiration and go in the Artweek Hall of Fame as the original logo designer. You get 1 week from today. So today is January 19th, so you get till January 26th to submit your logo design. Just send me an email at zimri@artweek.com. Make the title of your email something like logo competition so that I know that's what it's for. Okay, and then make sure when you send the email just to include your first name and the initial of your last name so that we'll be able to identify everything. And then I'll put all of the submissions onto the same page on artweek.com, and I'll put them in a little voting way so that after 1 week of submissions, the week after, that whole week will be for voting on the best logo design. And of course, you can share the page, let more design champions know that Artweek is gonna be a thing. Oh yeah, one update is, hopefully everybody will be happy about this. And if you haven't heard, there'll be a free version for Artweek and a supporter version. So hopefully everybody will be able to join in the club and we'll make it a really nice place no matter what your situation in life is. Okay. So go to the page if you want to be involved in the logo competition. You get 1 week, so be on time, make something dope, boy, fresh. Okay, all right, catch y'all later. Bye.